Alright, so I got this puzzle over here. Not that I'm showing you guys how to hotwire a scooter, but kind of information you need to know. So I had a chat with Dylan. Dylan's starting his own business. Dylan said he put a ton of time and effort and money into the scooter and could never get it running. And I want to teach you guys how to do a certain thing. When a scooter's been sitting a long time, like this one has, obviously out in the elements, the first thing I did was look at the connectors, and if you'll notice, that's corrosion and the prongs are broken off in it. So I'm going to clean those prongs out. I'm going to get some corrosion cleaner. We're going to clean those prongs out. I'm going to replace this ignition, and the electrical system should work on this scooter. But not to teach you how to hotwire a scooter. I could start this scooter without the keys, and literally all you have to do is just disconnect the ignition wire. I did put a new carb on it because I could see the old carb was absolutely trashed. Put a little gas in it. There's the old carb right there. It's not a happy carb, but make sure that this is set to run over here. I'm going to show you guys the battery. I'm trying to repair it right now. It was sitting at 4.2 volts and it needs to be up past 13. So I have this in repair mode right now to see if we can repair the battery. If not, I've got 2 new batteries up there to go on it. So I just popped a new carb on it, and Dylan, I want you to pay attention here, buddy. Okay, this is for you, bud. Well, all done. Put a new throttle cable on it, new carburetor. There's only one thing I have left to do, and that's replace this brake master cylinder because it's bad. I have some mirrors that'll fit on here, so we'll put those mirrors on when I get a chance. But the throttle cable they had on there was destroyed, so I went ahead and routed a new throttle cable all the way down. Underneath, I have to fix one turn signal here, and I still have to repair the turn signal on that side. But other than that, she's ready to go. Put her all back together. I mean, minus the trunk rack and the big thing. It's a Vespa knockoff look-alike. I think I'm going to sand it down and give it my own paint job. I think I'm going to keep it. I kind of like it. I like the way it looks. Very retro. You guys know me. I love retro things. So, let's see. Picked it up for 150 bucks. Let's take it for its first ride, see how it does. I'm kind of excited. Right? Show you guys what I did here. I rerouted a lot of those wires, and I still have to get a new ignition for it because that's the only reason it's not getting power right now, and I can't use the electric start just because of the ignition, but I can kickstart it. So there you go. You can see the new throttle cable I put on there run all the way around, and I still need to get some better fuel for it because the fuel that's in here is very questionable. I'm not even sure how much is in there, to be honest with you. Looks kind of low, but yeah, it smells like kind of old fuel, so I think it'll run probably a lot better with some new fuel. But most of this is in pretty good shape. It's 2015. It's too bad the sun got the best of the paint job, but runs good, and it's only got 683 miles on it. So this is like a brand new engine. This is like brand new. So even though it has all these problems, for whatever reason, it got parked at some point, and you know, it sat outside. So the thing doesn't even have 1,000 miles on it. But yeah, so there you go. Just want to show you the work I did. I'm not sure what this is. I think it's like an oil light. That's kind of neat. I need to look at what that is. But and I'm a taller rider, so I might bend this back. But we'll see. As I'm riding, we'll see. So 683 miles on it, and I highly doubt this thing goes fast. This was designed to look like a Vespa, so I'm pretty sure it's going to be like a cruiser at 28 or 30 miles an hour. But let's go throw the helmet on, take it for a ride real fast, see what happens. Okay, what's up there, guys? So let's take it for its first ride, see how it does. Kind of excited. It's like I said, until I get the new ignition, I have to kickstart the thing. Ever since I put the fuel regulator on there, it's been a little slower on the startup. Once she goes, though, she goes. Oh, you know what? that off? No. Let's give her a little bit of gas while I do this. There we go. There we go. Okay. So like I said, it's still in its warm-up phase. It has really crappy gas in it, and that's to be expected. So we're gonna let it do its little warm-up. And put the kickstart away. Whew. Engaged it kinda. Wait for the auto enricher to come off. Oh, you can smell it's enriching the fuel right now. There we go. Auto enricher's coming off. Okay. Let's take this thing for its first little ripperoo. See how it does here. I gotta look so funny on this thing. So I only have rear brakes, but it's nice and dry out. Let's cruise it, see how it does. Oh gosh, it does have quite a bit of power for a little scooter. Yeah, Vespa life. We got encroaching on 20, 25. Let's take it for a good little ride here. Yes sir, this is fun. I've always wanted one of these little retro Vespa style scooters. I think they look cool. I might be a little big for this one, but you do have tons of foot room up here. So let's cruise, man. Fun. Tires feel like they could use a bit more air. Still not full throttle yet. That's full throttle, so we're coming up on 30. Turn signals work? Nope. I'll let everybody go here. We'll just let everybody go because I don't know anything about this scooter yet. Alright, let's go. Let's rip. This looks neat. Man. Yeah, like I said, I figured this one would be pretty slow. We're just now coming up on, I don't know, 25. So yeah, we're coming up on 30. So there's 30 miles an hour. Let's see if we can get it up to 35. Yeah, this one's not nearly as fast as the other scooter. This is definitely more, yeah, 32, 33. That's on a flat run. Can I get it? It looks like I'm about to hit 35. That's all this scooter has right there, 35. That's all she can do. So yes, this is more in-town cruiser, grocery getter kind of scooter. Still a neat little scooter. It runs good. For only 684 miles on it, runs good. No, it's just not the fastest thing in the world, that's all. You gotta really let this one build speed. Coming up on 30. What's up, squirrel? Even that squirrel was like, yeah, I'll take a chance. That thing looks pretty slow. Yeah, it takes a while to get to 35. This is not a scooter you'd be racing anybody on, I can tell you that. Give her all the beans. That's all the beans she's got. Go, go, go. Creeping up on 30 again here. Flat out run. We're getting up to 35. Oh my god, we're moving so fast. Holy cow, this thing's quick. Those little Islander Wolf scooters, they're pretty slow. Still, it is neat, man. You look very retro on this thing. I don't even know if my headlight's on. Should I turn my brights on? Ooh, bright light came on. That's cool. This thing is such a trip. It looks like a Vespa. It really does. Even though it's a knockoff, It definitely looks like a Vespa. That's kind of fun. It's definitely like not the quickest thing in the world, but it definitely is all right. It's just meant for looking cool while getting your groceries. That's what this thing's designed for. Give her the retro love. Retro life. Vroom. Alright, should we give her the beans? Let's give her the beans. All the beans. Go, little scooter. 20 miles an hour. 25. Oh my god. Alright, well, that's fun. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it. I finished 2 scooters today. I did. I finished 2 scooters today. Both of these were purchased not running, and now they're both running. Do I have? Yeah, I have no lights right now. That sucks. Wonder if the bulb is out, or it could just be because the ignition's not on and it wants the ignition to be on. I don't know. Couldn't tell you. But it runs. Hey, sounds good. Sounds healthy. So there we go. 2 scooters done today. Except I'm selling that one. I think I'm gonna keep this one just because it looks cool and it's like super retro. So I guess maybe I'll keep the bike and the scooter. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I change my mind so often. I have no idea. I still need to finish cleaning it up. Still looks a little dirty. Both of them look dirty. They both need to be cleaned now that they're both working. So, but fun stuff. So there you go. Let me turn the light on here. The Wolf Islander 50cc scooter with 685 miles on it. I don't know why it was parked in the first place, but I can tell you it moves along. It's not that thing goes 50. That's much faster. Weird thing is, same engine. Both have the same engine, so this one was obviously dialed back and this one was not. But I mean, we made a few changes to this one, but they both have identical engines. They're both Wolf. They both have GY6 139 QMB motors in them. But this one clearly was restricted. That one is unrestricted. So that one is much faster than this one. Still cool. And then of course, you know, the You Mad Bro Dr. Evil bike is faster than both of them. That's cool. Alright, dudes. I don't know what else to say. The Islander, it runs, it drives, it's on the road. Took it for its first rip-a-rooski. Hope you guys enjoyed. Toodles!